Everyone loves a braai, but when you gather all your friends around and your braai's all old and rusty, it can be a bit embarrassing. So before your next chop and dop, why not give your braai a revamp? With Rust-Oleum's high heat paint, it's really easy. Now this high heat paint is available in a paintable and sprayable version. The only difference is the paintable version gives a slightly stronger and more heavy duty coating, meaning it'll last longer. Both are available in black and silver and withstand heats of up to 648 degrees Celsius, perfect for braais and even your fireplace. So the first thing we need to do before painting the braai is scrape off any loose paint and then give it a good sand. Just be aware that some paints may be lead based, so make sure you take all the necessary precautions when sanding, as the dust could be harmful. Now we can give it a clean with some soap and water and then leave it to dry. Just make sure that you rinse off all the soap. It's dry and we're ready to paint. Put some plastic down, and if we're painting it on, you want 2 coats. If you're spraying it on, then it's 3 light coats. Recoating must be done within 1 hour or after 24 hours due to the setting properties. This paint is lead-free, but does have some strong chemical odors, so make sure you're doing it in a well-ventilated area. Rust-Oleum also stops rust, so it's perfect for this application. A great option whether you're completely renewing your braai or just doing some touch-ups. And as always, follow all the instructions on the tin. Now leave that to cure for 24 hours and you're ready to braai. Remember that this paint may smoke a little on first heating, and it's also not recommended for braai grills and for surfaces that have direct food contact. So get that braai looking brand new again, ready for entertaining your friends. And remember that everything I used is available at Builders, in store or online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, visit the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.